Hello everyone, my name is Mahaputra and today I'm going to make a homemade vacuum cleaner. So you need a bottle, it's for holding everything together. So we put the nozzle here and then the pump on the back. We need a glue gun to glue everything together. We need a double tape to tape everything together. A cutter to cut the bottle. A scissor to cut the net and to cut the nozzle. And a cartolina as the pipe for the front part so it's easier to vacuum stuff. A net to work as a filter. And another tape, normal one, to tape everything together. At the back part of the bottle and put tape around the back part of the bottle. And then glue two nets together and then put it on the pump. Insert the pump to the back part of the bottle. And then tape the nozzle and glue it to the mouth of the bottle. So how does this work? So basically the pump takes air in from here and then out from here. So what the pump creates is a negative air pressure inside this bottle, which causes the air from the outside here, this part, to rush in quickly, which also pulls all the dirt and papers and double tape stuffs in from this tube to the bottle. So this vacuum cleaner is useful when you need a vacuum cleaner and you have an air pump that you can use. And let's say after a party where there are a lot of confetti or you cut a lot of papers, this will be useful to clean all of them in just few seconds for cheap. So thank you for watching this video. That's all for today.